Hey guys, it's Brad, and because of the big Black Friday sale, I thought I would give you an insight into how I install and a little bit about my story and why I am still rocking a skinhead even though I like to wear systems. So stay tuned and we will get into it. So I started going bald at about 24. I noticed that the hairline wasn't as thick as it used to be, and then I noticed the crown was disappearing over that time as well. So I think finally I said goodbye to my hair when I was 28. So between 24 and 28 it was gradually going sort of further back, and it was gradually receding from the crown forward and backwards. So I, at 28, decided to get rid of it. Initially, I started bleaching it blonde, and then eventually, like 6 months later, I got rid of it. And it was really hard. And then I got the SMP, which was the scalp tattoo. And from that point, I wore my hair short like this, but I always just missed that feeling of having hair. I'm a hairdresser, so I see it all the time. I work with it all the time. So the first hair system that I actually got was in around about 2014, and it was from a place in London, a clinic, and it was severely overpriced and it didn't really feel like me. I really enjoy wearing hair systems because I didn't choose to go bald, I just naturally ended up going bald. So it's my life, and if I prefer myself with hair and I like the version of me with hair, it's kind of no one's business. I always see people telling me in my store, on my videos, like, get some self-worth. And it's like, I have self-worth, I'm not ashamed of myself. I just like to be able to do what I want, when I want, how I want. So if one day I feel like having hair, then I'm gonna have hair. The reason I like to wear hair systems is because it's fun, and I can be all of these different versions of myself and have all of these different hairstyles without commitment. Don't get me wrong, I am going to Thailand at the end of this year, and that is going to be when I come back, I'm going to start growing my hair out again so I can start wearing hair systems. But I wanted to go to Thailand, and I wanted to have the freedom of tanning all day, full body, no hair, no lines. But in the evening, I can still stick on a system and have some lovely pictures, having a cocktail in a local rooftop bar. So 8 weeks until the end of the year. If you want to grow out your hair now, this is the perfect time to do it. So you've ordered your system from Lordhair. First thing you're going to have to do is take a template of your area. So tip number 2 is always wash your scalp with lukewarm water. The reason for this is water that's too hot or too cold can trauma the skin, causing the skin to produce excess sebum to protect itself, which in turn will lift your hair system and make you feel uncomfortable. Tip number 3 is to do with adhesives, and my favourite adhesive is Extendabond from Walker's Tape. Now this tape has holes in it that allows the heat to escape through the tape as opposed to build up under it, which gives you a longer lasting, more comfortable fit. So tip number 4 is for glue users. Always remember to at least leave 48 hours lock-in time before getting the system wet or sweaty. Head over to lordhair.com now to order your systems.